Exposing the secret to perfect flatbread. You won't believe how easy this is. Flour, water, and salt. That's all you need to make the most amazing flatbread right in your kitchen. No fancy tools, no complicated instructions, just simple, straightforward cooking. First, grab a bowl and mix 1 cup of flour with a pinch of salt. Slowly add half a cup of water while stirring until you get a sticky dough. Don't worry if it looks a little messy. That's part of the fun. Next, sprinkle some flour on your countertop and plop your dough onto it. Knead it for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and stretchy. Got it? Great. Now let's shape that dough. Divide it into small balls about the size of a golf ball. Roll each one out flat with a rolling pin or even a bottle. Remember, this is supposed to be easy. Heat up a non-stick pan on medium-high heat. No oil needed. Once it's hot, place a flatbread on the pan and cook for about 2 minutes on each side, or until you see those beautiful golden brown spots. Repeat with the rest of the dough, and there you have it. A stack of warm, homemade flatbread ready to enjoy. Perfect for dipping, wrapping, or just munching on its own. So what are you waiting for? Get cooking and impress your family with this simple, tasty recipe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy cooking!